Hey everyone, welcome back. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can create social media share menu by the help of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Alright? Okay, so let me show you the output first so that you can get the better idea about what we are going to create over here. Okay? So let's have a look how the output is look like. Alright, so here you can see we have a folder named as animated share button. Okay, and inside this folder, if you will open it, you see one HTML file that is named as index.html. Okay, inside this .html file I have written the code with the help of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Alright, so if you want to see what code that I have written inside this .html file, so you have to open your text editor like PyCharm or open your Sublime text. Okay, after that you can drag this HTML file into this Sublime text. Okay, and here you can see this is the index.html file, and inside this HTML file I have written the HTML code along with CSS and JavaScript as well. Okay, and after writing this code we have to save it as index.html and we have to keep it in a particular folder. Okay, and once you save the code with .html file, you have to double click on it. So here you can see this is our final output. Okay, so if you will click on this, then automatically the pop-up will come where we can get the social media link like Instagram, Twitter, GitHub and all. Okay, then again if you will click on this, then automatically that will disappear. Alright, you can see how attractive this is, correct? So if you want to create a circular social media menu, then you have to write this code. Okay, but here I am not going to explain every code step by step, but don't worry, I will give the link of this index.html file in the description sections of this video. So from there you can easily download and you can explore little bit more on this. Okay, so thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.